ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new video tutorial for part 4 of lesson 13 from book 1. Today we'll go over the dialogue given at the beginning of the lesson on pages 68 and 69. It starts with someone asking the question, من هؤلاء الفتية الطوال يا علي? Who are these tall youths, O Ali? The one responding says, هم طلاب جدد. They are new students. Notice here, طلاب جدد is a man'ud and na'at combination, so both are in plural form. The next question is, من أين هم? Where are they from? هم من أمريكا. They are from America. أهم زملاؤك? Are they your classmates? نعم, هم زملائي. هم في فصلي. Yes, they are my classmates. They are in my class. So after the حرف نعم, هم is the مبتدا of the جملة اسمية here, and زملائي is the إضافة of زملاء and ياء المتكلم. And the خبر is زملاء وهو مضاف, and ضمير ياء is the مضاف إليه. In the next اسمية sentence, هم is again the مبتدا. What do you think is the خبر? It is جار مجرور في فصلي without the ياء المتكلم. في is حرف جر, فصلي is اسم مجرور وهو مضاف, and ياء المتكلم is مضاف إليه. So في فصلي is شبه جملة type خبر. The next question is, أهم مجتهدون? Are they hardworking? نعم, هم مجتهدون. Yes, they are hardworking. ما أسماؤهم? What are their names? Notice here, unlike its singular form ismun, the plural form asma'un is written with hamzatul qata, not hamzatul wasl. That is why we need to pronounce the hamza at the beginning and say ma asma'uhum, not masma'uhum. It should be ma asma'uhum. The response is asma'uhum Yasirun wa Zakariya wa Musa wa Abdullahi. Their names are Yasir and Zakariya and Musa and Abdullah. أسماؤهم is إضافة of أسماء and ضميرهم. The مبتدا is the اسم مرفوع أسماء وهو مضاف, and هم is مضاف إليه. The خبر is ياسر. And the next few names coming after the حرف عطف و are معطوف to ياسر. All of them are مرفوع because they are following the case of the خبر ياسر. Next question. ومن هؤلاء الرجال القصار? And who are these short men? هم حجاج. They are pilgrims. من أين هم? Where are they from? بعضهم من الصين وبعضهم من اليابان. Some of them are from China and some of them are from Japan. We have two جملة اسمية here. In both of them, بعض is the مبتدا وهو مضاف, and ضميرهم is مضاف إليه. And the jar majrur phrases coming after are the خبر شبه جملة in the respective sentences. أين موسى وأصدقاؤه? Where is Musa and his friends? ذهبوا إلى المطعم. They went to the restaurant. So this final sentence of the dialogue is جملة فعلية because it is starting with the فعل ذهبوا. ذهبوا contains both فعل and the فاعل. The فاعل is الواو. إلى المطعم is جار ومجرور. Alright, we are done with this dialogue. Now we will jump to exercise 6 on page 73. This is a simple exercise where we are given a few ism type words and we need to write the JAMU-LKALIMAATI, the plural of the words, JAMU-LKALIMAATI. Notice here in the instruction, Dr. Abdurrahim used the ism kalimatun, which is the JAM'ul-mu'annath salim of the word kalimatun, a word. So the plural of kalimatun is kalimatun. And in ma'rifah, it is al-kalimatu. And JAM'u-LKALIMAATI is the idafa combination where jam'u is mudaf and kalimati is mudaf ilayh. Okay, let's do the exercise now. The first word is kabirun, big. Its plural is jam'u taksir that follows the pattern fi'alun. Can you convert kabirun to fi'alun pattern? It is kibarun, right? Here, the root letters of the singular word kabirun are kaf, coming in place of fa, ba, coming in place of ain, and ra, coming in place of lam. These root letters are also called radicals. So the letters kaf, ba, and ra are the first, second, and third radicals. Usually, the letters that are used to elongate the vowels, like ya here in kabirun, are not a part of the root letters of the word. So kabirun here with kaf, ba, and ra became kibarun, following the fi'alun pattern. The next word, muslimun, has jam'ul mudhakkar salim. So we add una to the end to form plural version. So muslimuna means Muslims. Next we have rajulun, a man. Its plural is rijalun, so it is also following the pattern fi'alun. Next ism is ibnun, a son. Its plural will be abna'un. Next ism is dayfun, a guest. Its plural will be duyufun. What pattern is this jam'ut taksir following? Can you tell? It is following fa'ulun, right? Fa'ulun, very good. Then we have fatan, a youth. Do you remember its plural form? It is jam'ut taksir following the pattern fi'latun, which is fityatun. Notice here the third radical or the third root letter of the singular form fatan is alif maqsura, and it turned into ya in plural form when fatan became fityatun. Next we have hajjun, a pilgrim. The first radical is ha. We don't count the alif next to it as the base letter because it is elongating the fatha. The second and third radicals are jim, because this word has two jims indicated by shadda. So the root letters are ha, ja, ja. The plural pattern of this word is fu'alun. Hajjun then transforms into hujjajun in plural form. Hajjun became hujjajun. The next ism is akhun, a brother. This ism mufrad or a singular ism has only the first two radicals, a and kha. The third radical is hidden, but it shows up in the plural form in ikhwatun, where the third radical is waw. The pattern then is fi'latun. We know saghirun means small. Can you tell the root letters of this word? They are sad, ghain, and ra, right? The letter ya here is used to elongate the kasra coming before it, so we leave it out. The broken plural pattern is fi'alun. What do you think should be the plural form then? It is sigharun, right? Very good. Saghirun became sigharun. Now we have tawilun, tall. The root letters or the radicals are ta, waw, and lam. This ism also has the same plural pattern fi'alun that we just saw. The plural of tawilun then is tiwalun. The next ism is ghaniyun, rich. The radicals are ghain, nun, and ya. The last radical, ya, has a shadda on top. So there are actually two yas here. The first one is there to elongate the kasra coming before it, and the second ya is the third radical. The plural form is aghniya'u. What do you think is the broken plural pattern of the ism then? It is af'ila'u, right? Af'ila'u. Very good. And the final ism is faqirun, poor. The radicals are fa, qaf, and ra. Do you remember the plural form of this word? It is fuqara'u, right? It follows the pattern fu'ala'u. You may have noticed the last two plurals, aghniya'u and fuqara'u, do not end with tanween, even in nakira form. If you are interested to know the reason for this, I will tell you that because the broken plurals with the patterns af'ila'u and fu'ala'u belong to a special category of ism called diptotes. We've talked about diptotes before in our episode for Lesson 9 and Part 2. I suggest you to revisit that video if you'd like to refresh your memory about diptotes. We will get back to talk more about diptotes in the last two lessons of this book, inshallah. Let's now quickly go over the table of new words given at the bottom of page 73. Al-haqlu means the field. Its plural is حقول, fields. An-nasu means people. It's a pluralism. Al-qaryatu is the village. Al-dayfu is the guest. Its plural is duyufun. Al-shaykhu is the shaykh or the scholar. Its plural is shuyukhun, scholars. Al-mat'amu means the restaurant. Al-madrasatul ibtida'iyyatu means the elementary school, also known as the primary school. That's it for this episode. We are done with part A of this lesson. Insha'Allah, we'll begin part B next time and continue learning lots of important and interesting concepts and rules about plurals in Arabic. I will see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.